Hello, everyone. Welcome to the very first episode of Investor Ladies. This podcast is a space created for women who want to understand money, build wealth, and take charge of their financial future with confidence. Whether you're a student, homemaker, working professional, or an entrepreneur, or just simply curious to learn about investing, this podcast is for you. I'm your host, Elaf, and today I'm joined by the founder and visionary of Investor Ladies, Vandana Kapoor. Vandana, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Elaf, and I'm excited that Investor Ladies is finally coming to life.
So let's start with the basics. What exactly is Investor Ladies?
So Investor Ladies is a community that I have created, and it's not just a community, it's a movement. So I meet a lot of women who are doing excellent in their work. They are working really hard, they are earning really hard, but when it comes to the financial decisions, they are left out of those conversations, or they are dependent on their partners or their parents for that kind of help and mentorship. So I want women not just to invest and feel equal in this world and not just save and support families. I want them to start thinking about growth and investing in themselves, investing in their future, which will eventually give them financial freedom.
That sounds interesting. So what exactly is financial freedom?
So financial freedom could have different definition for everyone. For me, what it means is that having to work without the fear, having the choices. What I mean with that is a lot of people are working, they're earning well, but they have no idea if that income stops tomorrow, how are they going to survive? How long will their savings last them? So when they are financially independent, which means that their expenses are being taken care of from their investments, their passive income, then they are not working for the money. The money is working for them, right? And with this, the security and the safety that they feel, which makes them not working out of fear or necessity, but working out of a choice that, okay, I like to work. So I'm working because my financials are taken care of. And now today I want to take a break. So I should be able to take that break. That is the kind of financial freedom someone can create with wealth creation.
Wow, I have never thought of financial freedom in that particular perspective, to be honest. So why do you think now is the time that we speak about this financial freedom in specific?
See, the world is changing rapidly. There was a time when women were not working, they were not allowed to work. Now things have changed. Women and men are treated equally in most part of the world. They are bringing equal to the table. There was a time when women were only taking care of the household chores and the men were out there earning the bread. Now men equally help at home and women are equally contributing towards the finances of the house. But that is earning, which is going into your disposable income every month. So women need to learn the art of investing so that, as I said, instead of them working for the money, money is working for them.
That's well said, Vandana. So what personally inspired you to start Investor Ladies?
Over the years, I have met incredible women who are doing fantastic in their careers. They have built businesses. But when it comes to investing, they don't have any confidence in it. So anytime I've asked anyone what kind of investments they have, they just say they are scared of losing money, they don't know how to do it, probably they just create a savings account on which they get a minimal interest, or they leave it on their husbands or fathers to do it. That made me realize that there is a gap, not in the intelligence, but in the access and confidence. And hence Investor Ladies was born with the belief that every woman deserves to know about financial independence and have opportunities to grow wealth.
Very inspiring thought, Vandana. So when we talk about some common fears, why do you think most of the women are too hesitant towards investing or investments in specific?
As I said, firstly, they lack the confidence. Secondly, they are always dependent on someone to give them the advice. And honestly, a lot of women feel that when we talk about investing, it would require a lot of money. But that's not actually true. You can start with whatever you are comfortable with. I'll share you my story, how I started, because I had an active income and I wanted to invest into something. So first I started creating a portfolio between investing in gold and fixed deposits in the bank. And for a while, I continued doing that for almost 4-5 years, till when I had accumulated that much that I thought, okay, now these are liquid assets. You can break your fixed deposits anytime, you can break your gold deposits anytime. I invested all of that money into real estate, and that's when my real journey of wealth creation began. From one property to another, creating a second source of income for me, which is the rentals that I achieve from my properties. And the second fear that women generally have is that they feel that with investing they might lose money. And this is where Investor Ladies comes in. This is a platform which is built around inspiring women who have already been there, done that, and talking about their journey, about their wealth creation, how they started. And this community not just focuses on what they did and how they did, but also the mistakes that they had done. So it's a good platform for women who are looking to start investing now, not just to learn from the success stories, but also from the failures of others, of what mistakes they should avoid making.
Very inspiring, Vandana. Whatever you have said has really given me something to think about. And I'm very sure for the women who are listening, all of the conversations that we had about investment or investing for women in particular, they will learn from the success stories that you have to share with them, and hopefully they will also become one of the successful investor ladies.
Thank you, Elaf.